Sun in Taurus in the 10th house. The cosmic blueprint. If your sun is in Taurus in the 10th house, you are here to build an empire that outlasts you. The sun represents your core identity. Taurus is the sign of enduring value, and the 10th house is the highest peak of the chart, governing your career, public reputation, and ultimate authority. When these powerful forces align, your life purpose becomes centered around tangible achievement. You aren't here to jump between job titles or follow unpredictable professional trends. You are here to put your head down, outlast your competition, and construct a flawless reputation and legacy based on quality and unshakable reliability. The hidden strengths. Your greatest superpower is your profound executive patience and stamina. Because the 10th house is a highly visible sector, your Taurus drive acts like a massive, steady engine for career growth that the entire world respects. You possess a rare, instinctual ability to manage large-scale resources and projects with total calm. You do not panic under professional pressure, and you excel at stabilizing chaotic organizations. You are a natural-born entrepreneur, an authoritative executive, and a reliable leader who climbs to the top purely through exceptional quality, flawless ethics, and dedication. The shadow and cosmic lessons. But a heavy earth energy at the peak of your chart can easily lock you into a professional cage. Your biggest challenge is an extreme fear of professional pivot or career change. Because you crave safety and predictability, you might stay in an unfulfilling corporate role, an outdated business model, or a toxic work environment for years, simply because the thought of starting over or shifting direction causes you anxiety. You can also become overly stubborn with bosses, critical of faster employees, or obsessed with material status and titles. Your cosmic lesson is to realize that true authority is adaptable. You must learn to allow your legacy to evolve, knowing your true value lies in your skills, not just a static job title. Ultimately, you are here to show the world how to lead with honor, earn respect, and build a legacy of lasting value. If you want to dive deeper into the rest of your birth chart puzzle and discover how your planetary placements interact, make sure to follow along. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have your sun in Taurus in the 10th house. See you in the next breakdown.